So, welcome yet to another video. Today we're going to install some parts on the R12GS, mostly Wunderlich parts. And yeah, enjoy the video. So, the parts that we are going to install are mostly Wunderlich parts. What we're going to install today, or trying: front axle protection, Clickbag system. We're not going to install the protection for the cylinder heads yet. I'm going to try to install those wonderful levers, Clickbag of course, shaft drive protection or drive shaft protection, and the Crashbars. So let's go! Now let's go for the drive shaft protection. You just need to push it in from the other side and then set it up to torque. 16 Newton meters of torque. Bigger one on the right and the smaller one on the left. There we go.
Now let's go to the Wunderlich Clickbag. This was better to do outside because of the fumes of the gasoline in the bike. It is very important to protect the inside of the fuel tank with some cloth or something similar. You can imagine that dropping a bolt in a fuel tank would create a challenge. We need to separate these two parts, so you need to loosen these two screws.
We need to remove this bolt and add the bolt here and add a bolt over there. So quite easy install. A little tip: please check if you use the right bolts because the longest ones are a different size. So we have the longer one on the left side and the little bit shorter one, the M12, on the right side. And on the left side you have the shorter spacer, and on the right side you have the longer. And don't forget to put it on the right torque, of course, and repeat it at the other side. So they're on right now. Looks really good. What I particularly like is that they're pretty close to the engine, so not too wide. Let's see it from the back, don't mind the mess. There we go. All spec to torque, pretty easy install.
Hey, are you still watching? Good, good. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. I hoped you liked it, and if you do, please consider to subscribe because that would really help the channel. For now, if you want to see anything more, this is my recommended video for you. This is my latest video for you, and again, if you want to subscribe, please tap here.